How to talk about city life. Listen and repeat. Please listen and repeat. Each sentence will be read twice. Let's go. My city is big. My city is big. My city is medium-sized. My city is medium-sized. My city is small. My city is small. My city is busy. My city is busy. My city is quiet. My city is quiet. There are many people. There are many people. There is a lot of traffic. There is a lot of traffic. It is very noisy. It is very noisy. It is polluted. It is polluted. There are many car accidents. There are many car accidents. There are traffic jams during rush hour. There are traffic jams during rush hour. People are always in a hurry. People are always in a hurry. We sometimes go to the park. We sometimes go to the park. Some people jog in the park. Some people jog in the park. Some people have a picnic in the park. Some people have a picnic in the park. There are many schools and universities in my city. There are many schools and universities in my city. There are many hospitals too. There are many hospitals too. We go to the movie theater on Friday night. We go to the movie theater on Friday night. On Saturday we often go to a restaurant. On Saturday we often go to a restaurant. We have the metro. We have the metro. My mother likes going to the department store. My mother likes going to the department store. There are convenience stores everywhere. There are convenience stores everywhere. Children often visit museums. Children often visit museums. My dad parks his car in a parking lot. My dad parks his car in a parking lot. There are a lot of things to do in the evening. There are a lot of things to do in the evening. At night, it is dangerous to walk alone. At night, it is dangerous to walk alone. There are a lot of landmarks in my city. There are a lot of landmarks in my city. A lot of tourists visit our city. A lot of tourists visit our city. There are some homeless people. There are some homeless people. There is a lot of crime in my city. There is a lot of crime in my city. People live in high rises. People live in high rises. Getting around is convenient. Getting around is convenient. It's easy to find work. It's easy to find work. People commute to work every day. People commute to work every day. The city lights up at night. The city lights up at night. I love my city. I love my city. I can't stand living in the city. I can't stand living in the city.